Hey everyone, it's Erin Flitto here, and I am here with my May Plan With Me video, and I also have a really exciting announcement. So, my exciting announcement, while I am planning in May in my bullet journal, I will be filming a video every single day of my planning process. And the series is going to be called Plan My Day, which I know is extremely innovative, but I'm really excited that every single day you will get to go on this planning journey with me in my Scribbles That Matter bullet journal. So the first official day of my Plan My Day is going to be on April 30th, and the last day is going to be May 31st, and I will go ahead and show you every single day how I work through my planning process, and it will be a very exciting time. So with that said, let's go ahead and get into my May Plan With Me. for this video. I'm a little, I don't know how I feel about all of this. It's a little messy for my taste, but I actually kind of like it. I don't usually go messy and all over the place, so I don't know. I like how my blue-ringed octopus came out, but I didn't test the metallic pen before I used it, so it ghosted pretty hard on this other page, but I think it'll turn out fine because I think this page will be enough distraction from the part that went through a little bit. So I decided to do this underwater world. I was gonna do this like huge watercolor type situation, but then I don't know, I didn't feel like doing it. I thought that with all the colors down here would be enough, and I didn't really want to distract too much, but I did do something off camera. I added some Blue Ghost ink from Noodlers, and if I take a black light to this, you can see all the cool iridescent type situation that I added on the coral and on the octopus and with the numbers, and that was a cool little ad. I might do this periodically in my spreads, but that was a little bit of fun, so that's why I didn't go back in and outline these numbers or anything like that. So then I got this habit and mood tracker idea from Booja with Becky. If you saw her, I think it was in February, she did like a rose and then the leaves were the mood, and then each aspect of the rose was a different habit. So I decided to do that for my narwhals here. And I know they don't look like narwhals, but that's fine. So I just added a lot of color, and I used my Staedtler Fineliners for all these colors. The tail will be self-care, the top will be healthy, the bottom will be gym and yoga, and the front nose area will be supplements, and then the horn color will be mood. The lighter the color, the happier I am. That I think will be pretty fun. And then if you saw my washi tape video, you know that this is a little tip in here. So I didn't feel like cluttering this page too much, so I just added this with a little bit of washi tape to have like a little key that I can open up to make sure I remember which section is which. And I haven't decided if I'm going to do some Zentangle in here or if I'm going to just color it flat, so we'll see how I feel coming up there. And then I added some new spreads, and for those of you that know me, you know washi tape is not really my thing. I don't really add a lot of washi tape, but I found these in Michael's and I love them. So there's this watercolor washi with some blues, teals, and greens. There's this wave washi that goes with that. That's a little watercolor theme. There's this dark blue and gold. And then there's this inspirational type 1, refuse to sink, hello sailor, makes tidal waves, sees the day, sea struck, etc. And then there's this watercolor with purple, teal, and blues. So I actually really liked how those turned out, and I got those from Michael's. They're in 2 different washi tape boxes. So I added just some little washi tape on here because after all this doodling on here, I didn't want to take too much time. So I just thought the washi tape would balance it out a little bit more. So I did my 1 line a day, which is a new spread for me. I'm not used to doing this 1 line a day, but I just thought it would be nice to reflect on some type of like gratitude or something like that. And then of course I have my body measurements over here. I'm thinking about adding a quote in here. If not, I'll just add some more washi tape, I think. And then next Friday I will be starting my week. I will be planning my week in advance, and then on that Monday I will be starting my Plan My Day series. So I'll be filming every single day, like I said before, and so I'm changing things up a little bit for next week, but you'll be along with me while I set that up on Friday, and then lots and lots of planning for May. So I hope you guys like this video. If you guys want to keep in touch to make sure you are participating or watching my Plan My Day series, make sure you subscribe and hit that notification bell and all that kind of jazz. And if you like this underwater theme, go ahead and like the video. So I will see you next Friday for my weekly plan with me. Bye everyone.